Hey everybody, this is week 3 and this is the week 3 weekly update. Week 3 is from January 24th until January 30th. The items due this week are from Module A of Unit 1. Module A is Chapter 1 from your textbook, and Chapter 1 is titled Introduction to Biology. There are several items due by the end of the week. They are all due on January 30th by midnight, so that's 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So without further ado, I want to go through the item checklist with you and make sure we highlight everything that's due this week. Okay, so I've shared my screen with you, and we'll go up to Module A. Make sure we open the module. Here we see the due date, January 30th, 2021, and the best place to find your assignment checklist is always within the first folder. As soon as you open the module, it's the chapter resources. So here we see Module A, Chapter 1, Introduction to Biology, Chapter Resources. When we open the folder, what we want to look for is our assignment checklist. Here we see a nice image of what's due this week by midnight on January 30th. You have your VoiceThread watch assignments from Lesson 1 and Lesson 2. Remember, these watch assignments are like your attendance grade, so you have to watch the video and complete it in order to get all credit. The other items due are your quick check quizzes, which are due at the end of each lesson. So you have 2 quick check quizzes due by the weekend. You have 2 art connection or visual connection. Sometimes you'll see that throughout the text. Art and visual, they use synonymously. And these are our VoiceThread discussion or VoiceThread comment assignments. You see Figure 1.8 and Figure 118 are the 2 VoiceThread comment discussion items that you'll have to complete by Saturday the 30th. You also need to complete your VoiceThread Create assignment, which is our critical thinking assessments. And the question that's due this weekend is question number 7. Once you complete all these assignments, I highly recommend completing your end of chapter test. So the end of chapter test assesses everything within the chapter. It is all encompassing over all the lessons. And then finally, take a breath, relax, and let me know what you think about the chapter completing your end of chapter survey. Okay, that's all the items that are due this week, week 3, and all those items are from Module A, Chapter 1, Introduction to Biology. If anyone has any questions, comments, or concerns, please email me, call my office, and make sure you dial the correct extension, or we can set up a virtual meeting through Teams via my OnceHub scheduling appointment app. Thank you all. Have a great week.